This is how you turn $16 into $6,000 through organic dropshipping. Organic dropshipping is a business model where you can start with as little as $16 and turn that into $6,000, and in this tutorial I will show you exactly how to do that. So here's an example. Let's say you go to AliExpress and you source this jellyfish lamp for $15. You build a Shopify website, you list it on your own website for $40. And to build your own website, we'll be using something called Shopify, where you can literally start for as cheap as $1 for your first month. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and buy that $15 jellyfish lamp and ship it to your address. So in total already you spent $1 to build your website and another $15 to buy the actual product. So now you're $16 in debt. Then what you want to do is you want to use your phone. You want to go ahead and film yourself using the product and create something as simple as this. This exact video I'm showing you got 4 million views on TikTok. After you film and edit a video just like this, you want to go ahead and create a TikTok account and upload the video to TikTok. So on your TikTok bio, you want to link a link to your website where you're selling that product on that Shopify store that you spent $1 to set up. So from getting 4 million views from that one video that they made, by having their website link in their TikTok bio, they got 15,000 people to visit their website where they're selling the product for $40. With the 15,000 website views, they got 1,750 people adding to cart. And with the 1,750 people adding to cart, they got 250 orders. So with 250 orders, times that by $40 per order, they've made $10,000 in revenue. Now the next steps is you want to go ahead and go to that supplier on AliExpress, tell them that we've gotten 250 orders, times that by $15 per order, you want to then send them $3,750. And in doing so, the supplier is going to ship the 250 orders to 250 people across the world. That is 250 houses, 250 individuals. Remember, this whole time you're just sitting in your bedroom with the product, filming the video, and you haven't done any work at all. So from the $10,000 you initially got from those 250 orders, you've given the supplier $3,750, and you're now left with $6,250 in profit by filming and editing a simple 13-second video. Now obviously it's not going to be that simple. This person had to upload hundreds and hundreds of videos on this exact product to have the 1 in 10, 1 in 20, 1 in 50 videos to pop and go viral. So it definitely takes a lot more work than it seems. But as you can see, even if you get smaller amount of views, you're still going to make orders. You might get 1, 2, 10, 20. You might not get 250 from a 4 million view video, but even if you get 10,000 views, that might get you one order and you might have made $40 off that 15-second video you made that day. And this is how organic dropshipping works. We can start with as little as $16 and turn that into tens of thousands.